A computed tomography, or a commonly known as CT scan, is a medical imaging technique used in radiology to get detailed images of the body non-invasively for diagnostic purposes. A computed tomography scan allows doctors to see inside your body. It uses a combination of X-rays and a computer to create pictures of your organs, bones, and other tissues. It shows more detail than a regular X-ray image. In CT scan, they uses a narrow X-ray beam that circles around one part of your body. This provides a series of images from many different angles. A computer uses this information to create a cross-sectional picture. Like one piece in a loaf of bread, this two-dimensional, 2D, scan shows a slice of the inside of your body. During a CT scan, you lie in a tunnel-like machine while the inside of the machine rotates and takes a series of X-rays from different angles. These pictures are then sent to a computer, where they're combined to create images of slices, or cross-sections, of the body. They may also be combined to produce a 3D image of a particular area of the body. This is an actual inner view of CT scan working. It takes 360-degree images of your body. A CT scan has many uses, but it's particularly well suited for diagnosing diseases and evaluating injuries. Some reasons to do the CT scan test are: diagnose infections, muscle disorders, and bone fractures. Pinpoint the location of masses and tumors, including cancer. Study the blood vessels and other internal structures. Assess the extent of internal injuries and internal bleeding. Guide procedures, such as surgeries and biopsies. Monitor the effectiveness of treatments for certain medical conditions, including cancer and heart disease. There are very few risks associated with a CT scan. Though CT scans expose you to more radiation than typical X-rays, the risk of cancer caused by radiation is very small if you only have one scan. Your risk for cancer may increase over time if you have multiple X-rays or CT scans. The risk of cancer is increased in children receiving CT scans. These are some samples of CT scan images. If you like the video, be in touch with us for more informative video. Thank you.